Pythagorean Theorem. This was first proven by the Greek mathematician Pythagoras more than 2,500 years ago. Today, Mr. STEM gives it the update it so desperately deserves. So, the Pythagorean Theorem. If we want to know the length of a diagonal of a right triangle, we're going to use the following formula. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. You've probably seen this before. If not, welcome to something beautiful. So here we go. This is A right here, 7 inches. This is B right here, 24 inches. We're looking for this length right here, C, the hypotenuse, which we don't know yet. Okay, so let's get into it. A is 7 squared. B is 24 squared. C, still unknown. Now we square them, 49, 576. C, still unknown. We add 625. We take the square root. We end up with C equals 25. Let's check our answer, make sure it makes sense. Here we go. The Pythagorean theorem, 7, 24, 25 inches indeed makes sense. Okay, let's make a program that can do that for us. Okay, so here we go. We're going to use jsfiddle to do this for us. Now you can see I Googled right here, jsfiddle, and I'm going to create a new fiddle right here. The website that pops up, I actually already opened it right here. This is great, good. I like to just close this, and let's just take a quick look around jsfiddle. Now, JavaScript is the programming language we're going to use, and it's designed to work with HTML and CSS, which are how you make web pages. Now, we're not really going to bother with any HTML or CSS. We're just going to use pure JavaScript right here. So this is actually the only box that's really going to concern us at the moment. So let's take a look at what we need to do in order to make this. So we talked about jsfiddle. Let's go ahead and make the most classic program, which is to just say hi to the computer and have the computer say hi to us. So we're going to go right here, alert, and then we're going to do quotations. And in those quotations, we will say, alert, hello, computer. We'll just leave, we'll just fix that. Okay, and then let's hit return, and we'll come up here and click run, and then we'll say, hello, computer. Interesting, I'm not the computer, but okay, not to worry. Okay, let's try one more. Hey, oops, no. Okay, we need all this. Alert, and then quotation, and then parentheses, and then quotations, and then hello, human. Okay, and we'll click run. All right, hello, computer. Hello, human. Okay, now technically with JavaScript, you are supposed to use semicolons at the end of each line of instructions. I think JavaScript's starting to learn a little bit from Python, and maybe we can just forget about those. Anyways, as you can see, jsfiddle works with or without those, hello, human. But technically in JavaScript, you do put in the semicolon afterwards. Okay, so let's see what's next on our list here. We've talked about alerts. If you want to pause the video and play with alerts for a minute, you can. Let's look at some variables now. Okay, so let's see. Let's hit up this var x equals 6. Okay, and then we'll throw some parentheses on there. And this time we'll alert, and inside our parentheses, we will put x. We will not enclose it with quotes. So we have x equals 6, and we're alerting x. Let's see the result it gives us. Hello, computer. Hello, human. And it tells us 6. Okay, perfect. All right, let's do this. Now let's quickly alert, let's see, x, or let's do this. Let's do quotes, the variable, and then outside those quotes, we'll put x. And in between these, we'll put a plus sign, and then we'll put a plus sign here. And then we will say a couple more quotes, and we'll say equals 6. And end quotes. Okay, let's run this and see how this goes. Run. Hello, computer. Hello, human. 6. The variable 6 equals 6. Interesting. Okay, I see the mistake I might have made. So let's get rid of this. Or actually, let's move this. Okay, so there's our x. And we're going to type in x equals. Okay. And now this should give us a little bit nicer result. Hello, computer. Okay, hello, human. 6, the variable x equals 6. Got a little spacing issue there. We won't worry about it too much. We could fix it if we wanted to. Okay, moving on. Alert, variables. Let's see, prompts. Okay, so a prompt is sort of the opposite of an alert. So an alert, we're displaying some information for our user to see. With a prompt, we're having our user input type in some information. So let's try this. Let's say prompt, what, oh, and let's put our quotes there. What is your name? Okay, and let's run this. And you know what? Let's delete some of our old stuff so then we don't have to see it every time. 6. Okay. Variable x equals 6. And what is your name? Okay. Now check this out. I can go right like this. And I can say var a equals, let's see. What is the value of a? Okay. Now let's run this. And we have 6. And we have the variable x equals 6. And we have what's your name? Okay. And then it didn't work because I forgot to put in a prompt right here. Prompt, what is the value of a? So click run, 6. Variable x equals 6. What is your name? And we have a problem here. Okay, let's just see if we can get our prompt to work. And let's delete some of this stuff. Okay, variable x. Let's run this. Oh, no, not working. We must have some type of problem with our prompt. That is very interesting. The variable, let's see, what is the value of a? Question mark, okay. And we'll go like that, and let's hit run. Okay, what is the value of a? A equals 4, okay. And now let's see if we can alert a variable x here, or var a equals prompt, what is the value of a? Run that. That is 4. Okay. And then let's alert, and we will click, let's see right here, alert a. Perfect. Okay, let's run this. What is the value of a? 4. Okay, and it alerts 4. Ah, fantastic, fantastic. So I'm not sure what was wrong earlier. I thought that's what we had, but I probably just made a little typo somewhere. Sometimes you have to start over. Not a big deal. Let's see. So we've gone over jsfiddle, alerts, variables, prompts, and math. Okay, so, and I wrote myself a little note there, not to forget to talk about square root. So let's do a couple other things here. Let's say var b equals 5. Okay, and now I can say var ab equals a times b. Okay, that should be good. And now let's alert AB. Okay, so I'm expecting AB to be 6 times, so I'm expecting that to be 30. Let's run it and see what happens. Oh, what is var A? Okay, let's do 4. Okay, 4. Okay, 20. Okay, yes, so I set the value of A to 4. I set the value of B to 5. My value of AB, 20. Perfect, okay. So there we go. We can do a couple other things. We could take a to the power of b. So let's try that. So a is prompt. B is still going to be 5. So actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and just prompt for the value of b. Let's do a command copy here, and we'll paste that in, equals prompt. What is the value of b? And then we'll take b to that power. Okay, so let's run it. So what is the power? What is the value of a? 2. Okay, 2. Good. What is the value of b? Let's see. Let's go to the 5th power. 2 to the 5th power. I don't even know what that is. 7. Okay, clearly did not work. Alert AB. Wow, interesting. Oh, I have a second. I have a second semicolon. I don't know if that made any difference at all. I think probably it doesn't like the a to the b power. We're probably going to have to use a math dot square here. Well, let's run this. Okay, what is the value of a? 2. Okay. What is the value of b? 4. Okay, and it's giving me -2, so subtraction is working. All right, so let's get into doing some math now here. Okay. So let's first try this. Okay. let's delete what we have and let's take the square root of a. So we're going to say alert, and inside the parentheses, I'm going to put math, and I'm not going to make this mistake. I've been making this mistake for months, but I'm not going to do it anymore. I'm going to capitalize math dot square root, and then inside those parentheses, I'm going to put a. Okay, so we got a lot going on here. So we're alerting something, and we're alerting the square root of a, which is contained within that parenthesis. So let's click run. What is the value of a? Okay. And then 4, yes, because we alert a. And then we alert 2. Okay, good. Seems like it's working. Let's just get rid of that and do a couple more test runs here. What is the value of a? 36. And it says 6. Perfect. Okay, so I think we're in good shape. Probably a fine place to end the video. Thanks for watching. Good luck.